From a major rally to a major disappointment. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. Todd Bubba Horwitz with you. And after yesterday's huge rally, you would have expected something today, and it has been all about nothing as we continue to churn around the mean on miserable volume. Okay, brutal volume, nothing going on. It's a good thing that I'm on my way to San Jose because that's why I'm taping this update early. It is 1 o'clock Eastern time, ahead of the Fed. Maybe we're waiting for the Fed. I have no idea what they're going to say. I do not. Everybody thinks they're going to talk dovish. I've heard many think that Powell is going to give in to the president and give in to the markets. I don't think so. We'll see how it plays out. But I think we'll get much busier once you're watching this update. It may be busy already. In the meantime, it's just really quiet. And we haven't changed our long-term view. But again, one of the things we talk about is the ability to sit out and observe the market, waiting for opportunity. You see bonds are back and forth around unchanged. You've got gold that's lower today. You've got oil that's getting pounded today. So again, all the things we've talked about are continuing to play out the way that we thought they would. And again, they don't always come that easy. Sometimes they go in your face and they rip your face off. But in the meantime, right now it's a great time to sit back and wait for opportunity. I don't think there's much going on, even with the USDA report that came out today. The grains sold off a little bit as I speak right now. Beans are down 8 cents, corn's down about 5, and wheat's down about 2. I would not be surprised if they were all higher on the day by the time the day closes. We'll see. Again, there's such a lack of interest in volume pretty much across the board. It's hard to say what anything is going to do from this particular point. In the meantime, you've got a lot of nothing going on. So why should you put yourself in a position to trade when there's nothing going on? There's better times ahead than trying to trade into what we call a dull market. Dull markets are just typically very challenging. As we all know, Jeff Sessions was, forced to resign. I meant to put that on the update this morning or on the Bubba's Bottom Line. But in the meantime, it did help the pot stocks for a minute, but it's no big boom. Markets kind of already understand what's going on. So they're pricing in things. And that's why we're not seeing this dramatic follow through. I think yesterday's rally was all retail buyers. Okay. I think yesterday was all the retail. Again, I think that the latest part of these rallies is more by retail. I think the commercials and the big guys are selling to this market. So again, we're looking for opportunities to get short. Crude, I'd need a rally to 64 now to sell more. Gold, I'd like to see a pullback to 1220 to buy more. Grains, I'm a buyer just about any place. Meats are kind of mixed today, but they're holding support pretty well. So again, there's not a lot to do. And I think this is why you have to understand sometimes you just have to sit back and relax and enjoy the show. Because if you try to become active in a market that is not active, you can only get yourself into trouble. And I think that's one of the things I'm always concerned about. In the meantime, I will be sending updates from actually Vegas by the time the next update's due, which is Monday. I'll be in Vegas Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So I'll send updates from there. Bubba's Bottom Line will be out later today. And in the meantime, everybody have a great day. As always, I thank you for being a part of Bubba's Daily Update. Let's watch the Fed. I say that the markets make a big move, and I say you look for 3 moves. Whichever way, up, down, and then the real move. And I think the real move will be lower. Let's see how it plays out. Really, it's a much better market to watch. Remember our high school program. If you want to help us out, go to Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. Thursday night football. Well, I don't know. I like Carolina for pizza and a beer. Have a great day, everybody. This is Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you back here on Monday with a new update. And, of course, Bubba's Online coming later today. We'll see you later.